The Scammell Scarab was a British three-wheeled tractor unit produced between 1948 and 1967 by Scammell, following the success of the Scammell mechanical horse. It was designed primarily for railway companies, industry, and military use, excelling in urban environments due to its tight turning radius and automatic trailer coupling system. Development began in the late 1920s when British railway companies sought a replacement for horse-drawn cargo transport. The London Midland and Scottish Railway collaborated with Carrier Motors, creating the Carrier Cob, while the London and North Eastern Railway worked with Napier, who later sold the design to Scammell. Engineer Oliver Danson North refined the concept, leading to the launch of the Scammell mechanical horse in 1934. It featured an innovative automatic trailer coupling system and excellent maneuverability, with a front wheel capable of turning 360 degrees. After World War II, Scammell redesigned the mechanical horse, introducing the Scarab in 1948. It featured a rounded steel cab, improved stability, and a lower-mounted engine. The Scarab was available in 3-ton and 6-ton versions, powered by a 2,190 cubic centimeters Scammell petrol engine or an optional Perkins diesel engine. The steel construction made it more durable than its predecessor, and it was widely adopted by British Railways, industrial firms, and the Ministry of Defense. In 1967, the Scarab was replaced by the Scammell Townsman, designed by Giovanni Michelotti. It introduced a fiberglass cab, vacuum-assisted hydraulic brakes, and a vacuum-operated trailer coupling release. Despite improvements, new regulations on articulated vehicle braking and the formation of British Leyland led to the end of production in 1968. Scammell also licensed production to French manufacturer Chenard Walker, which produced the Pony Mécanique using a Citroën traction avant engine. This version remained in production until 1970. A four-wheeled variant, the Scarab 4, based on the standard Atlas van chassis, was briefly produced but was unsuccessful. Approximately 30,000 mechanical horses, including Scarabs, were built. Today, around 60 Scarabs are preserved, with examples displayed at heritage railways and museums. The Mechanical Horse Club, established in 1983, promotes preservation. A restored Scarab was featured in the TV series Salvage Squad. In fiction, Madge from Thomas and Friends is based on this vehicle, reflecting its iconic status in British transport history.